Right, okay. So just scroll up, go to the downloads folder. You don't need this now. Go to the downloads folder again. And just scroll up. Go to the up. Move up, move up, move up. Until you see a folder. Right, you can see the folder here, the second one. Double click on Helakuru Windows 1.1 with that one. Open. Helakuru setup exe, yes. Double click on that as well. Okay. So it will take some time to install. And after installing, right? After installing, what to do? Okay, you can just follow the setup and install now. You'll get some wizard. We call wizard step-by-step guidance or wizard. You can follow the wizard and install that. Okay, click on next. Yeah, go to the installation shield and it will automatically install. Others, please do this right, because now we are doing, we have taken more than the required time to do that. Click on that. Yeah, and click yes. You need to install. Don't close until you finish the installation, right? Have you closed this or what has happened?
No, sir.
Okay, just click the install shield wizard. So why you are frequently moving between the windows, so it's basically very difficult to me to instruct when you are frequently moving with, between the windows, because don't know what has happened. By now it should be installed. I guess by now it should be installed. Okay, finish. Close it. Close it now, and you can just click on the Windows button. Those who have, yeah, just finish it. Just finish. And those who have installed, including I think Rehan's also installed, click on the Windows button. Click on the Windows button and search for, then search for Helakuru. And you'll get the app. Just open it. Just open it. After installing, you have to open it, right? The first time you have to open, but next time onward, it will be open automatically when you turn on the computer. Now you can see it is there. Now you can see it is there in here. So don't frequently change between the windows. I cannot concern them. So here you can see the both keyboards, Vijay Sekhar or phonetic. So phonetic is preferred. Keep phonetic, right? Keep phonetic. No need to change that. And now go to the Word, MS Word. Right? Then, so you can press Alt and Shift. Please note here, the language will automatically change when you press the Alt and Shift key together. Alt, Shift keys together. Right? You can see Sing. Now Sinhala. Again Alt Shift. Now it's English. Again Alt Shift. It will be Sinhala. Right? Please go to Sinhala and then you can write in the phonetic way. Phonetic කියන අර කතා කරන විදියට. මම කියලා ලියන්න MA. Just type MA and it will type mama. But you need more letters now. Gedara කියලා කියන්නේ GETHARA. Right? GTHE, right? Gedara කියලා නෙමෙයි gedara. GETHERE. Right? You can just, this is called phonetic. Phonetic කියන්නේ අර හඬ ඇහෙන විදියට. DHA. The. DHA. Right. හඬ ඇහෙන විදියට type කරන එකට තමයි phonetic කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay, so this typing is convenient. I think the others also done the same, right? Hello. Others, did you do this? Or do you have questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So then phonetic typing is enough. Now anytime you can change the language and start typing in a phonetic way, but you need to type more, but still it is easier. The advantage of phonetic typing is easier. Advantage of the standard keyboard, it is faster. Faster after you learn.
Sir,
Faster.
I can't type from the Hello Google in the Word document now, sir. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Just share it quickly. So if you have followed the instructions properly, you'll be able to type. Maybe you missed some instruction. Just see, let's see what has
I
happened.
didn't make any instructions, sir.
So go to Word. Go to Word. Okay, start typing now. Okay, nothing is there. Now press Alt and Shift. Alt Shift together.
Done, sir.
Okay, now type. Okay, I can see that you're typing. M-A-M-A. Just increase the font size and type M-A-M-A. Yeah, you're typing it. So not that here, that's what I said. So you missed this.
No, sir, I pressed not M-A-M-A, sir. I pressed U-U.
UU is for Vijay Sekara keyboard. So if you hear this, not that, when you press this, right? When you press this, you can change it to, right, even Tamil, English. So a lot of keyboards. Alt Shift is basically to change between Sinhala and English. Alt Shift. You can just simply shift this. And Helakuru. So click here. Click here, then you can see the Helakuru app. Just the Helakuru app. Have you taken the Helakuru app? You have to open the Helakuru app. Otherwise, here search and open Helakuru. Otherwise, how to give instructions? Alt Shift. Again, change the keyboard. Alt Shift. Now Tamil. Right. Now you are typing Tamil. Right. Right.
No,
You
sir,
have
I'm typing English.
right. Have you opened the app? Helakuru. Have you opened the app? You opening? Open Karada. Now only you can see the app there. Now you can right click and change the keyboard to Vijay Sekar if you want. If you want Vijay Sekar on, you can change keyboard to the Vijay Sekar. Or if you need phonetic one, you can change the phonetic. That is where you are changing, right? Okay. Let's go back to the lesson. And do it now. Right, others, please follow the instructions and do this because we have done few times now, 2-3 times we have done the same. And the next important thing is using the Tamil keyboard. So again, you have the same thing. You have to download a Tamil font to do that. For an example, Bamini or Kalaham, those are some Tamil fonts. Similar to Sinhala fonts, you can download Tamil fonts. Or you can change by default. So if you have Tamil by default, you can change using that Windows taskbar. Right, okay. So let's change, let's download a Tamil font also. I'm going to download a Tamil font. Let's say Kalaham Tamil font. I'm searching, I'm going to the first one, first link, Kalaham Tamil font. And I'll send the same link to you. If you want, you can follow me and download that font. Okay, then you can download this font by clicking on this sign. Similar to the previous step, after downloading the font, what you have to do? Just go to the font, right click, extract it, and here Just go to the font. Show in the folder. Right click and extract the font. So I'm always extracting using Unarchiver. You can use your extraction tool, Windows extraction tool, and extract that. Then you will get the folder. Go inside, double click on the font. This is OTF font. Double click on that and then click install. Then click install. Okay, after installing, you will get that available to this. Let's change color from now it's there. So let's type in Tamil also. Change the font and you can type. Okay, so I don't know how to read this, but anyway, I can type the Tamil font. Right. This is how you type the Tamil. Okay. So then you can type Ana, Avanna, Ena, Ivanna, anything. Or உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் விளங்குதா விளங்குது இல்லையா தெரியுமா தெரியலையா anything. Maybe you can write உங்கள் பெயர் என்ன உங்கள் ஊர் எது. Likewise, anything in Tamil. But this is what I learned in my school. In my schooling days, I don't know whether that syllabus has changed now and you are learning more advanced stuff. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a problem about Sinhala font.
What is that?
Elakuru.
Helakuru. Yes.
Sir, type karata Sinhala නෙමෙයි type කරන්නේ.
ඒ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මොකක් හරි instruction එකක් follow කරන්න නැති වුණාම තමයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ. Share කරලා බලන්න. So I'll give you this. So the thing is that you are not following the instructions. Seems. Or language එක යට change කරලා නැහැ. That is one thing. I can clearly see that you have not changed the language here. It's English. And you don't have language to change it. Can you open Helakuru app? Okay, can you click that and select Helakuru phonetic? Okay, then Alt and Shift. Alt Shift. No, Alt Shift. Don't change the font. Alt and Shift. So it's not changing to the font. Right. So can you close the Helakuru app? Helakuru app එක close කරන්න you have two apps. That's the reason. Can you go to this? Click on this arrow. Right click on Helakuru and close the first one and the second one both. Okay, if you don't know how to close from there, so what you can do is press Alt Control Delete, Alt Control Delete together, and you will get Task Manager. Alt එකයි Control එකයි Delete එකයි Alt Control Delete, and you will get the Task Manager. Alt Control Delete. Press all three keys together. Okay, can you right click here? මෙතන right click කරන්න පුතේ මේ word වලට මෙහා පැත්තේ empty තැනක. And select Task Manager. Task Manager. Right, from this Task Manager, go to Helakuru. Can you see where Helakuru is? Just drop down further and find out Helakuru app. Here, right click on this and end task. End task. Next one also right click end task. Okay, now you don't have both apps. Now go and open the new app. Go and open new again Helakuru. Now open it. Now just go to the app and select the keyboard. Phonetic one. Phonetic tick වෙන්නේ නැද්ද ඒක? Second එක tick වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? හරි. දැන් බලන්න. Now press Alt Shift. Alt Shift together to change the language. Still you are not getting the language back. That is the thing. So you have the language but not install the single language. So what you can do anyway, so is reinstall the app. Uninstall Helakuru and reinstall it again and you will get that. So after that you can run it, right? That is the best option. So what has happened is basically installation is not done properly, it seems, because it's not showing the singular font. Okay, so with that, the particular lesson for today is over. Actually, you don't have any other areas under that. You can download and install again. Just try after downloading. If not working, please let me know next day. I'll fix the error. Right, okay. So then, so what we have to discuss, after discussing this, next we have to move to the program development, and before that we have to finish the workbook. Right, next day I'll start discussing the workbook, and next day I'll start the new lesson also. So I'll not finish the workbook next day. The mama dekama katha karana. Programming part and the workbook, both I'll discuss next day. So please be prepared and come. And if possible, write answer to these questions. So these are easy questions. Try to answer these questions and come. Then I'll discuss the answers next day. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. And good night. See you all in the next week.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Night, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.